Hello everybody, this is Roger Daviston, personal development coach, helping you think different so you can behave different. Today I want to talk to you about put your faith in and what idolatry really is. Here we go. So I thought it would be good today to talk about something spiritual since we're standing in front of a beautiful church. Anna, what's the name of that church? You don't know the name of it? How old is it? It's pretty old, right?
Yeah, pretty old.
But so we're in Kyiv, standing in front of a very old Orthodox church. And I want to talk to you about faith. So what you put your trust in, what you admire, what you worship, all of those things, anything before God is just idolatry, and we're all guilty of it. You know, I think at home, if I was to get hurt, first thing I'd do is call 911 and then pray. You know, that's backwards. We should pray, call 911, because God is in control of everything. What you put your faith in, what you admire, what you worship is very, very important. When you think about the word love, it's better to be loved than to be admired or to be worshiped, because what love really is a relationship where I can be me and you can be you, and I accept you for who you are and you accept me for who I am with all of my junk and all of my flaws. And it's better to love and to be loved than to be worshiped and be admired, because there are days I'm not very, very worthy of being admired. And don't admire me, don't worship me. Just accept Roger for who Roger is, and I'll do the same for you. And that's what real love is, because we're all just we're not perfect. So anyway, coming to you today from Kyiv, Ukraine. It's really cold and snowy, and we're having a good time. Hey, I hope this video helped you, and God bless.